Mary was super excited about her new dress until she tried it on. See how funny the dress looks on Mary. Something seems to be wrong. She tries to adjust the dress over and again, but it just doesn't fit right. Thankfully, a fashion designer aunt came visiting right on time and instantly spots the issue. Whoever made this dress did not measure your body parts correctly before making the dress. No worries, I'll make you another one, Mary's auntie promised. Get a tape measure from my handbag alongside a pen, paper, and any kind of string. Joyce excitedly rushes to get the items. Now, Mary, pull off the dress and stand erect. Mary's aunt places the tape measure around the fullest part of Mary's chest. Then from her waist to her bust, she measures from one underarm to the other across the chest, measures from the neck end of the shoulder to the string tied around the waist, across the back from one underarm to the other. Mary's aunt calls all these measurements body measurements. She quickly moves to Mary's arms. She measures with Mary's arm bent from the end of the shoulder to the point of the elbow and another to the wrist bone. She measures around the widest part of the upper arm and around the wrist below the wrist bone. These measurements are for the sleeves. For the skirts or lower part of the dress, Mary's aunt puts the tape around the natural waistline. She measures the widest part of the body below the waist, called it the hips. With the tape, she measures from the center front, from the waist to the ground, from the waist to the center back to the ground, and from the waist tape at the side to the ground. She writes down the measurements. In 1 week, Mary's dress was ready. Now, just imagine how beautiful the dress looks on Mary. It's the same fabric and the same style, but made with correct body measurements. You see, body measurements refer to measuring the actual person or people who will wear a garment. Correct measurements, like the ones Mary's aunt got from Mary's body, are very important for a dress to fit well, like Mary's new dress.